Unusual food is eaten as usual in China. A famous saying has also been proved to be correct: Chinese people eat four-legged things, except tables and chairs, and everything that can fly, except airplanes. If food is an Olympic event, then apart from China, no other country will be close. Before you came to China, you had never seen a country so keen on consuming anything that could walk, crawl, fly, slide, or grow. You will quickly discover some familiar dishes, which will become your first choice when you are struggling with other choices in China. 10. Turtle shell jelly. Also known as gailing jelly, is a dessert similar to Chinese jelly. It is traditionally made from several herbal products and various types of turtle bottom shells. This unique dish is also used for medicinal purposes in China. It is said to improve circulation, restore kidney function, and help muscle growth. Many people believe that regular consumption of this strange Chinese food can improve the skin and make the skin healthier. 9. Pai Dan. Preserved eggs, also known as century eggs, are traditional Chinese foods with unique colors and flavors. It is usually duck eggs or eggs preserved with a mixture of clay, alkaline substances, ashes, and salt. Depending on the processing time, the yolk may be yellow, dark green, or brown, but the center is usually soft in all colors. Refreshing, smooth, delicious, and salty are commonly used words for Chinese specialty foods. If the shell is intact, preserved eggs can be stored for up to 5 months. 8. Grilled pig's brain. Roasted pig brain sounds disgusting and not appetizing at all, but again, the Chinese really know how to make it delicious. Roasted pig brain is a traditional snack in Sichuan and Yunnan. It is made by mixing pig brain with sea pepper, and other condiments. It is very soft and smells very good. When you take a bite, your brain will melt in your mouth and provide a delicious spicy flavor. If you have the opportunity to visit Chengdu, Chongqing, or the beautiful Yunnan province, please don't hesitate to ask a local friend to take you to a restaurant that sells it. 7. Snake soup. Snake soup is considered an exquisite dish in Hong Kong and is considered to extend life. Cooked in boiling water, the snake meat looks a lot like chicken. It tastes a bit like. It is mostly common in Hong Kong, but some places selling snake soup can also be found in mainland China or Taiwan. 6. Pig's ears. In some Western countries, we like to eat potato chips or peanuts as an appetizer. In China, they prefer pig ears. Pork ears can be boiled or stewed first, cut into thin slices, and then topped with soy sauce or seasoned with chili sauce. There are many popular side dishes in China, and pig ear is one of them. If you go to China, you must try. 5. Silkworms. In many cultures, various insects are considered a delicacy. Silkworm is one of the insects, which is very popular among locals in China. This strangest food in China tastes like shrimp or crab, with a chewy consistency. Silkworms can be cooked in a variety of ways at the local market, or stored frozen and canned. Use your favorite vegetables, soy sauce, and seasonings to add Chinese silkworms to the stir-fry. It is usually eaten with rice or noodles, or the pupa can be fried and eaten with a dipping sauce of your choice. 4. Intestines. We said before that Chinese people don't like to waste food, so the intestines should also be eaten. If you go to a hot pot restaurant, it is really easy to find duck intestines or pig intestines. In Beijing, you can even eat it for breakfast. Pork or duck intestines sound strange, but they are really delicious, and the Chinese know how to cook them perfectly. 3. Stinky tofu. Let's talk about Taiwan and its stinky tofu. Although its name is not attractive, it clearly defines what happens when you smell it. It smells bad. You don't need to find a place to sell stinky tofu when you go to Taiwan. Just visit the famous night market and wait for the strong smell to enter your nose. It doesn't look appetizing, but like French cheese, it tastes amazing. Stinky tofu is a fermented tofu with a strong smell and strong taste. Stinky tofu mixed with duck blood is best in spicy soup. 2. Duck blood. Don't worry, the Chinese don't drink blood. Duck blood, basically a clotted duck blood, is usually cooked in a spicy soup. You can find it in every hot pot restaurant. Duck blood is really delicious and famous for its health benefits. If you go to China, you must try it. It is a bloody good thing. 1. Chicken feet. In Western countries, chicken feet are more likely to fall into the trash can. In China, this is an exquisite dish. The Chinese cook chicken feet in many different ways, such as boiling, soup, roasting, ginger, caramel, crispy. Cooking them is a long process, and it takes several hours to soften the small meat around the bones. The locals do not waste food and do almost everything. There is a Chinese saying, "Four-legged non-table can be eaten."